Yo YouTube, man, what's the deal? It's your boy Cody Mar, back at it with another banger. As you guys see today, man, we're finally adding some mods to the B58. If you guys don't know, this is the M340 2020. It is stock as of right now. We got some goodies in the car, which I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. Just made it up here to Drake Build's shop. Sheesh, no more stock car after today, man. It's gonna go crazy. We got a lot more mods coming soon. Also installed that carbon fiber spoiler. That shit low-key look good as hell on this car. In case you guys wondering what downpipes we went with the VRSF. I believe that's what that say is a Catless downpipe too. So it's also a 4.5 inch downpipe. I believe they do have 5 inches, but we just went with the 4.5 one right now. These downpipes came off of Supra, so hopefully everything fits. We have the stock downpipe right here. Kind of burnt my hand a little bit. Didn't think that shit was gonna be that hot, but this motherfucker is way bigger than I thought. Sheesh. So as you guys see, we got the downpipe in. It's looking good up in there. Sheesh. Hope y'all ready for this, man. We finna give y'all a startup. I don't know what to expect, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely a lot louder than the cold start. Gonna be crazy on cold start. That motherfucker sounds tough though. You can literally hear the turbos coming out the exhaust spooling. That shit is sick. You can hear the turbos. Y'all, so as you can see, we just got the downpipes installed for the M340. Once again, if you guys missed which downpipes we went with the VRSF. I'm still new to the platform, man, so if I get a little confused on the name, don't be bashing me in the comments. But you guys see, man, it gives the car a great sound. Now, one thing I can say I don't like about downpipes with this current setup, when it's not in sport mode, it kind of sounds like a trumpet, like it's farting and doing some bullshit. But when we got in sport mode, you can sounds crazy. You can hear the turbos. I'm gonna try to get some pulls for you guys so you can see what it sounds like from the cabin of the car. It for sure gives it an aggressive tone. If you guys are wondering, the car is not tuned yet. We probably will be getting the OTS map real soon. If you guys have any tuners in mind, be sure to leave that down in the comments below. Keep me updated. What do you guys think I should get tuned by? What mods do you guys think I should do next? Right now, it is downpipe only, no tune, no other mods. Stock airbox, everything else. We have a little bit exhaust mods. It's basically full straight pipe right now. So, Catless Downpipe, Muffler Delete, and that's pretty much it. A little carbon fiber spoiler here. Not nothing too crazy. Like I said, I will be keeping you guys updated on what's going on with the 5.0, man, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking why my partner at the car. I will be posting an update video later on, so make sure you guys are staying tuned for the video, man. If y'all watch the channel, man, y'all should already know It's camp for the motherfucking win, man. We stay posting the dubs. We get our little losses here and there too, which are also posting.